Assalamualaikum and welcome back to my YouTube channel. So today we talk about sodium citrate, its properties and something more. So stay tuned for the complete information. So chemically it is a salt form of citric acid that looks like white powder. It absorbs moisture in the open air. It is very much soluble in water, but it is insoluble in alcohol. So as it is a salt form of citric acid, it is sour in taste and it works by increasing the pH of the acidic urine, making it more alkaline and thus used for the treatment of metabolic acidosis. Moreover, the vial and the concentrations are in front of you. Besides its function as an anticoagulant, it is used to treat high uric acid levels in case of gout and kidney stone. So the risk factors concerned with the sodium citrate include swelling, numbness, itching, irregular heartbeat, confusion, and the muscle spasm. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe, like, comment and share.